What's up, viewers and subscriber? Welcome back to another one of my video, Faithlin Foods Variety. Thank you for being here, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be making, as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be making a banana cake. So guys, as you can see, that's my ingredient there, guys. I give you a quick shot of everything that I'm going to be using for the banana cake. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of flour. Okay, I already have a cup here. So whenever you are measuring, okay, your flour, you're going to be leveling off the flour with a knife. As I want to use this Santa Claus pan, and I'm hoping it comes out with the shape of the face. Okay, guys, I used it before last Christmas and it came out, but I find it stick a bit. So what I'm gonna be doing, I use the paper from the butter and I greased it, and I'm gonna put the baking paper onto this, the baking paper, hoping it will come out with the shape. Okay, I know if I pour the batter into the pan itself, it will come out with the shape, but because I'm going to be using the baking paper so that it will come out easily and not have to worry about sticking, I'm going to be putting the baking paper. Whenever measuring, you're going to level off your flour. Okay, level it off this way with a knife, and I would just dredge my pan here with flour, the butter, and then dredge it with flour, and then I'm just gonna dust off the excess flour. Because I'm demonstrating to you guys, I don't really need the flour, but I'm gonna line it with the baking paper after. I'm just showing you how you measure out correctly your flour. And yeah, you level it off with the knife. Now sieve here. Here is my butter, guys. The butter, melted butter. Yes, okay, I got 1/3 cup there. The butter that I'm using, guys. This butter here, the Imperial. Baking, and I used one of this. I melted one of this, and as you can see that I had leftover. I had butter left over, so what I need is 1/3 cup melted butter. And so guys, I'm working with some overripe bananas I have here, and this banana is the cooking banana, the Jamaican one. Guys don't have to use this type of banana like the Jamaican one. Okay, this is the cooking one. You see, it's from St. Mary, so that's what I'm using because it's overripe, instead of throwing it in the garbage. So 3 to 4. So if it's this kind of banana, 3 is fine. That's why I'm using 4, because those other 2 is small. These are 2 organic, and the Jamaican ones are organic too. The riper the banana, the better. Okay, as long as your banana, guys, has a speckle on it and it's soft, very soft, then it's good. Even though the ones that I used, they were black, the skin was very black, those bananas are good to use. I'm gonna crush this banana. You crush your banana as smooth as you want it. It smells really good. Ripe banana, overripe. It smells really delicious. So guys, I have 1.5 teaspoons baking powder because I wanted to put a teaspoon baking. If you have baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/8 teaspoon salt. So I'm just gonna, 1/8 teaspoon is a 1 dash of salt, and I'm gonna put cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, because I like to put all my dry ingredients in my flour. Okay, and mix it up. Using 1/2 cup of the brown sugar. If you're using granulated sugar, the white sugar, then 3/4 cup is good. Cream the sugar with the 1/3 cup melted butter. So the sugar is there. So guys, this is the 1/3 cup melted butter with the sugar that I measured. Now guys, I got the sugar a bit on the fluffy side. Now I added the 1 egg and I'm gonna beat it, okay? So I got the, as I said, I got the sugar a bit on the fluffy side. Now guys, I'm adding the vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to my mashed banana. And I don't want too much of the rose water because the rose water, guys, it's very strong, okay? So I poured out a bit there. I'm going to put like 1 little drop of rose water there. 1/4 teaspoon. Got my egg mixed out, and now I'm gonna pour this goodness, the sweet stuff, the chief, the, what do you call it, the star of the show, right guys? The star of the show is the banana. The oven preheating at 350 degree, using the middle shelf. So I like to divide when folding my mixture either in half, or you could do this in half because it's not a lot. You could even put the entire thing, but or if you want to do it in 1/4 or divide it in 3 mixtures, so you fold. So I'm gonna be folding until all the flour, there's no white flour into the mixture, right guys? Everything should be folded away. Your folding is this way, that way, in a circle and in the center. And in this mixture, I'm going to be adding some peanuts. I'm going to be chopping up some of these peanuts, guys, and as well as if you have walnut, raw peanut. I don't want a lot in it, so I'm going to be pounding up some of this. So guys, whatever nuts you have, I just pounded up a little bit. The nuts is optional. You could use walnut, raisins, whatever you want to add to it. And guys, I decided to add just a drop of white rum here. This rum is like, you don't joke around with it, guys. You don't joke around. It's very strong. See? So look. 1 little drop, just to spice things up, guys, because we're feeling the Christmas spirit here in Christmas Carol on the radio, the month of November. So why not? And there it is. Let me look at my consistency and make sure everything is folded in. Not bad. With this mixture, you could put like, if you want, a couple tablespoons, like 2 or 3 tablespoons of either milk or some juice, or, hold on guys, I think maybe some wine. So guys, I'm just gonna add just a tablespoon of water, okay? Or if you have like maybe pineapple juice or orange juice, like, it's optional. Or if you want to put wine, yeah, just to make it a bit lighter. We're good here. So I'm gonna pour it out and put to bake 350, and I'm gonna be using the middle shelf. Tastes so delicious, guys. Just the mixture alone tastes so good. I can't wait to get into this cake. 50 to 60 minutes. Banana cake takes a while, or banana bread takes a while to bake. Whenever baking, guys, you don't open the oven like 10-15 minutes after, okay? You wait like 20-25 minutes or until the cake sets, because the cake will fall. Let the cake rise. It will fall if you open it. You know, cold air mixed in with hot air. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick this in the oven, guys. Okay guys, so at the end I'll let you know how long it took. So after 40 minutes of it being in the oven, I turned it onto 300 degree, from 350 to 300 degree. So guys, it's not fully cool, but 10 minutes after, you could try to turn it out. Oh, I have to wait for it to cool. Comment down below. Comment down below and let me know what you think about Santa's face on this cake. Yeah, that's the other side of the cake. Okay, so if I'm not happy with Santa's face, at least I have the other side of the banana cake. And I flip it back over. Yep. So guys, let it cool some more and then I'll taste it for you to see. I am happy. So it's getting a bit foggy here guys because the cake is still hot, but I'm happy. Okay, I am happy. This is happy, but birthday's coming up, so I won't put birthday beside it as yet because so far it's just happy. Birthday is like 6 days away, and I am truly excited guys. Truly excited. Yeah, 15 minutes after I removed it from the oven and allow it to cool, because I don't like hot cakes. I like when my cakes are cool. And cake, overnight cake guys, cake that is, because the reason why, when the cake is like 24 hours, everything is set, right? Everything is set, the mixture, everything is set. See, it's still hot. It is still hot, so I'm just gonna let it cool some more. Good, so let me taste for you guys to see. I am happy about the color. Get you guys to see it closely. The texture is good. I love the texture, but the thing is, when cake is hot, this is how it looks, so I just have to get it to cool some more. It's good guys. It is good. I love it. Banana cake. Banana bread, if I'd put it in a loaf pan, it would be banana bread. No, because I put it in a round, because I wanted to get that Santa shape. We're in the Christmas spirit, right? So it was just, it only made sense. Yes, it is good. Good. Guys, the banana cake is perfect. Guys, your favorite drink with this, I'm telling you, your favorite ice cream, it is just good. It's good. And banana is good for you, right? Banana is healthy. Guys, oh, I just threw in a bit of the peanut. Oh, perfect. You get that crunch with the banana cake. The peanut was perfect. Or walnut, whatever it is that you would like to have. I thank you guys for being here, and you have a super day. And guys, I wish you guys were close by for me to share this with you. But sometime soon, guys, you never know. In the future, we could do meetup, right? And I make something and we meet somewhere and you guys can taste what it is that I make. Thank you guys for being here, and you enjoy the rest of your day.